Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this really easy, colorful dry brush and nail stamp design. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. So I'm going to use white by Creative Play called I Blanked Out, blue by Salon Perfect called Pocket Dial, neon orange by Orly called Tropical Pop, neon pink by Salon Perfect called Oh Snap, and neon green also by Salon Perfect called Tropical Hideaway. So I already painted my nails with the white polish, and I'm just going to swipe those colors on my nails. You don't have to add as many colors or even the color combo that I did. I just wanted something bright and colorful. It's springtime, and I'm really into neons, so I wanted to do it. And I see you guys really like these designs, I guess, because it's really quick and easy, and you can do it with any colors. So that's what I guess. Once I was done, I'm going to use my Pueen Secret Garden 01 nail plate. I love this plate. It has so many nice floral designs. This one I wanted particularly because it has like flowers and leaves and a little butterfly, and I wanted to add that butterfly onto my, nail. I just thought it was so cute, so I made sure that I applied it right there. But you can use any plate that has a floral on it. It doesn't matter. It's just something, like I said, a quick design, colorful, and perfect for springtime. Once I was done, I'm just going to remove the liquid latex, clean around my nails, and I apply a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video easy and simple for you to recreate if you want. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.